Your 3D printers are unique. You can let your customers exploit the full capabilities of your machines with a totally tailored slicer software. In Create Real, we white label the slicer with your colors, logos, and brand identity. With our diverse team of 3D printer experts, we always customize and add the features that benefits you and your customers. This is possible because the entire slicer is 100% owned and developed by us over the past decade. We also let you use the slicer as a communication tool directly to your customers via notifications and updates directly inside the slicer. Let me show you a few features of your new slicer. Here you can see your slicer with a loaded model. You can see which parts of the model will get automatic support. Next, you can customize this starting point with a pen and eraser like this. Let's look at the final result. Now join me in the settings menu. Your slicer guides and educates the users with tooltips and illustrations. I also want to show you our lattice structures. There are a lot of them, and each optimizes the print for different properties. For example, 3D Isomax optimizes for stiffness. It looks like this when you peek inside the model. Your version of the slicer will be based on the type of customers you work with. Maybe some of your customers are experts like you. Others just want to keep it simple while still getting high quality and reliable prints every time. That is why we help you make fine-tuned preset profiles for your printer, so your customers can just click prepare and produce. As you can see, the software is pretty intuitive, which will reduce your support efforts towards your customers. Let's get started.